Should I automate the process as much as possible? Let me give you my answer. It depends on the context. For example, in this particular project, the client explicitly mentioned that this is a one-time task. It's going to be used only once. And we have these inputs and we need to extract from a shop API request these two information, master and house number. The information that we get from the API call was scattered, but we could easily extract this master and house number. And there are around 1124 records in this particular section. So we need 1124 API calls if we do one by one. Or we have another option or choice that we can send in a batch, like let's say 100 information at once, and we get the 100 information returns from that API call. So I measured this time that if I just run this, and I measured the time that it was taking 2 to 3 seconds for each API call. And if I want to create a batch request, then I need to invest almost 1 hour or more in the coding part, because I need to concatenate those and I need to prepare the XML, and then I need to parse the information that we get back from the API call for batch query. And that was almost 1 hour or more of works. So what I measure that this is only one-time task. So this is going to take, like, if it's going to take 3 seconds, then it will takes in total almost 1 hour. So 3300 seconds or something like that. So it's going to take me 1 hour to run this full query if I do one by one. And it will take me 1 hour to just develop the code as well. So why should I develop the code for a batch query when I can just run this particular query and I kept this running on another particular computer, and I can work on that hour on a different project. So I hope you understand the concept that this is a one-time automation task and it's not going to be reused again. So I shouldn't invest my 1 hour to develop fully optimized, fully automated process, and I should invest that 1 hour into different project or in a different part of my projects. So that's it. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Have a good day.